All right, Kim, what we got?
Okay, we got some vanilla cake mix.
Classic.
Classic vanilla cake mix. Can't go wrong with that. Then you're going to take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, put it in your cake mix, and then you're going to take a pastry cutter and cut it into your cake mix. Takes a few minutes because you've got to get it like a cornbread mixture, the consistency. So just cut the cream cheese into your cake mix.
It's looking pretty good.
Okay, so now you've got it mixed up in there. You're going to take your pastry cutter and set it to the side. You are going to add in a 1/2 cup of oil, 1/4 cup milk.
Is that whole milk?
Yes, I got whole milk. And then we're going to need 3 eggs.
All right.
And we're going to put them in this bowl so we can just kind of whisk them before we put them into our cake.
And to make sure there's no bad eggs, right?
Yeah, we don't
want to get fussed at.
No, we don't want to mess up our whole cake with kind of an egg. But we got all 3 good eggs. So we're just gonna whisk these together. It's amazing how darker yellow the yolk is in a fresh egg. Now you're gonna take them, put them in the cake mixture.
Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it all together.
I'm excited to try this one.
Okay, now we've got it all mixed up. We're gonna take a can of blueberry pie filling and we're going to fold it into this cake mixture.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna use a spoon for this. Stuff we need now, we're just gonna fold it in. And this is a blueberry pound cake.
It's got a nice color to it.
Oh, it does. To pour this into a greased 9x13. How's that look?
It looks good.
Love the marble effect.
I love that too. I love the mixture of the colors.
Turn my bowl for a minute. Get it all out of here.
Get all them scraps.
No blueberries hiding now.
That looks really good, actually.
We're gonna bake this for 45 minutes on 350. Oh, they're broken. Okay, that's 45 minutes at 350.
All right. Ooh, don't touch it. All right, let's see it. Ooh.
Ooh, it looks bubbly.
It's nice. Kim had to go out for a little errand, so I had to pull this baby out.
Okay. It looks good.
Looks really cool, like marbly,
Mm-hmm.
like Kim was saying. All right, just gotta let it cool for a minute and then come back. All right, let's give this baby a try.
Ooh, it looks blueberry.
Mm-hmm. It definitely should. I call this Roy Orbison Cake.
Who's that?
He's a famous singer back in the day. And I like to listen to his music whenever I make this cake. Put a little bluebell. What do you think? Who doesn't love bluebell?
Nobody.
Oh, baby. It's still a little warm.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want to get burnt.
That ice cream should chill it.
That's really good.
Oh, snap.
Mmm.